Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Joho Cooking Kids. And today we're going to make eggnog and
it's going to be alcohol free.
And it's alcohol free. It's Christmas special and it's not Christmas yet, but we're just getting ready for Christmas.
Okay, before we start cooking or just making, let me just say what Joho stands for. Jack, Amy, Harry, Owen. Okay? Okay, now we can go.
Now first, Amy, you can pour the milk in. Sure. And then the egg in after. And quickly. Oops.
That's why you do it quickly, because then it comes out the bottom. It's alright.
I'll clean
We
it
can
up.
clean it up.
Give it a clean if you
It's like a carrot.
make a mess. Okay. And now we pour the egg in to the milk.
Okay?
To
Amy? To the egg?
Yeah, hold on. Into the milk.
Quickly.
Quickly. Like that, but make sure it doesn't splash or it might go everywhere.
Harry, do you want to pour all these free? Vanilla essence,
In.
nutmeg,
To the
and
milk.
sugar.
To the milk. And egg. And egg. Yeah. And
Sugar is my favorite.
Yes, it's everybody's favorite.
and
Sugar.
Okay.
get the lid. And
Right. Let's make sure to
Put it on very tight.
put it on very tight because you don't want eggnog going everywhere.
and exploding.
Yeah.
Very, very tight.
Very
Okay.
tight. And then put it in. Yep.
And
Okay,
turn
can you
it
turn
on.
the machine on?
Go. And now you take it out.
turn it.
Turn
Turn
it.
it and take
Wait.
it out.
Oh, there we go.
And
Beautiful.
then open the lid.
Let me do it. Okay, wait. Let me
Can
do
you
it.
do it?
Can you?
Yep.
Peep.
Did you get it?
I'll be right back.
Okay, we got it open. And now we'll pour it into the
A
cup.
little bit into the cup.
No,
A little bit.
a
Okay.
little bit.
Alright, everybody put their straws in.
Harry, Amy's pink, I'm green.
Okay. Ready?
Amy, you
Yeah,
let Amy come in.
Excuse me, I can't get in.
Wait, hold up. You're getting a straw?
Amy, go
I
for
don't want any.
No? Okay. More for us, boys.
Wait, I can't. I can't. Wait, let me get some.
I guess it looks good.
Let me.
How is it, Amy?
Pretty good.
Beautiful.
And that's the end.
Thank you for watching our video. See ya!
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah.